Welcome to Fresco. Fresco is a flexible packaging company in Telford, Pennsylvania. They manufacture packaging for several different products, from coffee to pet food.
I put products together to make bags, print on them, and get everything secured for other departments.
I get the master rolls from the press, and I get them on the machine. I get the job, make sure the job's right.
I'd say my day-to-day, making sure the machines are running.
I'm kind of like the last step before things get going in the manufacturing process. I make sure all the materials are ready to go.
I manage a lab of quality technicians, so both in plastics and in the film production, and what we do is test all of the material that we produce.
What do you enjoy about working here?
Every day's different, so it just depends on what we're making and what's important at the time. I'm on my feet a lot. I get out on the floor. I get to do a little bit of everything.
Every day is completely different, which is awesome, and that's what I enjoy about it.
It's fast-paced. Every day is something new. It's always challenging. Some days are easier than others.
What makes your company so green and ready for the 21st century?
We recycle, make sure everything's proper, cleaned, and that's what we do here.
Our company is environmentally friendly in a couple instances. So there's a couple things that we do to be environmentally friendly. One of the big things we've been working on for the past several years, our research and development team has been creating a structure that is recyclable.
What's the benefit for those going into manufacturing?
It's definitely a good place to be if you're curious and you want to learn new things.
You have a lot of room for growth in this industry. So you could come in as entry level and you could move your way up. You could work in various departments and you learn a lot.
You don't need a college degree.
Learning everything, different trades, getting on-hands experience on different trades at the company.
That is super interesting. What else is so cool about manufacturing?
You start with nothing, and within a couple steps you have something completely different.
Every day is completely different.
It is definitely not boring.
Now that is cool.